Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, guys. What's up? This is Pseudo Pluto. We're doing day 2 of Advent of Code. I had a little bit less time today than I anticipated, so I'm gonna do C++ for today as well. I'm pretty sure. I did notice that there was a cropping issue. I think it's because of my monitor resolution. So it's like 16 by 10 when YouTube 16 by 9. So I think I fixed that in OBS and add a little nice background instead of black bars. So that should be fixed. I know my microphone quality was bad. I ordered a new set of list of passwords according to corrupted database and the corporate policy when that password is set. So okay, so each line gives the password policy and then the password. Okay, password policy indicates the lowest and highest number of times a given letter must appear. The password will be valid, and then oh, okay. So this looks pretty simple. I would use a hash map to have a histogram for the character frequency in every single password given. You do have to do a little bit of parsing to figure out which okay, let's look at the input just to be sure. Because it says like 1 to 3A, right? Ah, okay, so it's only really checking the frequency of one character. So instead of the hash map, we can just do just a single iteration over the string, and we just keep count of the times that we see the chosen character. And it looks like the format is pretty standard, so I think we can just use ints and then add a dash to our like kind of white space character set, and that will be an easy way to parse it. So let's first do the parsing bit. I want to have 16R, 16, 19, and R as an example. And I just want to like print that out in new lines. So copy, oh, terminal. Oh, that is git and get code 2020 baby. Vim input.txt, yeah. Then vim test.txt. I just want to have a single line that we can basically like use for parsing. This is like a little test. So read in input, delete to end of file. So let's just read and test to see what our sample input is going to look like. And that will help us parse. So we need arrow string. We just have our main function, return 0. Okay, so we have this format, right? So I'm trying to think. Let's see. If we add the colon and the dash to, yeah, so let's just do while cn. And we know each line should have a int min, int max, char c, and then an std string. We can have, even if we don't want to use string, we can use, let's see what string library C++ has. Like, does it have count? Because that'll make it very easy, very simple. Count. Begin, compare, empty arrays, find, max. Substring, compare. So yeah, I don't think it has a method to return like the number of characters that you give it. Count of char in a char in string. Okay, so there is algorithm. That's fine. Let's actually see this. std count, fbn append. Count. Look at this. So it takes in an iterator and it takes in a target. Okay. So I think we can still use vector of characters. I don't think we actually need to use a string. Oh no, we do need to use a string just to grab like the rest of the output for cn. That's probably spelled wrong. std string, and then this is going to be password. Cool. So then while string min put this min c password. And for right now, we're just going to print out what these are. Min max c and then password. Yeah. So that should only do it once for a test input, right? And then all I have to do is set cn to have delimiters that includes dash and colon. Ugh. So get line would give us I'm missing this. delimiter character. Okay. Well, let's just try it anyway, see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? So I want to do g plus mains plus and a dot out using test. This is probably not going to work, but I just want to get a loop going. Yeah. Then plus, and we figure out our good old buddy std. M minus 16. Yeah. So, okay. It's actually not that bad. We can do a hack, basically saying throw away char trash. Sorry about that. But all we have to do then is we just read into trash, and then we can read back into our int, right? And then we have our character C, right? And then we want the password. So then all we have to do is go back into trash, and then we can get our password. What did I do? Oh, I have an extra thing. And just like that, 15, 16, image. Oh, that was the wrong one. And 15, 16, and that. Okay, so our parsing works. Is it really parsing or lexing? Lexing, I think it's lexing. So then all we have to do is int c equals 0. And then what was it? Oh no, we're not even doing iteration. We can just do oh yeah, we need our int count via valid. This is really a long name for no reason. cd count valid. And no, right? So, and then all we have to do is increase count valid if we do have a correct count. And so I'm just going to, what's the algorithm? std count of, what is it? Password dot begin. Password dot end. What is it? C. And we should just probably keep this. Int rec. Oh no, we can just delete and parentheses. That's not working. Delete to the end. There we go. Just paste that here. And yeah, so if rec is this inclusive? At least one time, so it's inclusive that, and that at most, yeah. So if rec is greater than and equal to min, and rec is less than or equal to max, we just want to increase our count valid. Yeah, and that should work. We should get 1. Wait, is that a valid password though? Let's just make sure. What was it? Okay, 15, 16, M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's just make the minimum into 5 on the line of the test. And our output should be 1. Yeah, okay, so now we can use it on the real input. 1, 2, and that should be our answer. Hopefully that's right. Yeah, cool. That's easy. Okay. Okay, so each policy action, 2 is position password, 1 is the first character, 2 means the second character, and so on. No index 0, 1 of these positions. Ah, okay, this is not that bad. So, then main2.c++. We want to read in our old main, right? And basically all we're doing is checking in the indexes. So min-max is fine. We can just do this to I0. I1, yeah, trash C, yeah, that's good. Password, and then instead of this whole count thing, we just need to do the index comparison. So actually we forgot to increase our count valid. So let's just do that. Here. So let's read this carefully. So it's saying 1 means the first character, 2 means the second character. So 0 indexing, exactly 1 of these. Okay. Other currents are. Okay, this one's pretty easy. So all you have to do is see if it's exclusive or if the indexes have one of the characters. Yeah. So I actually wonder if this is exclusive or C++. Exclusive or. Oh, we can just use Descartes, I think. Oh, this is not. Oh, these are actually pretty interesting ways of doing XOR. So this one is saying if A not B, okay, not B, B, huh? Okay, that's really clean. I like this one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use that version. I like the ternary operator, pretty good. I don't like this one. This is kind of hard to understand. So all we have to do is do an exclusive OR here, which is is that? Yeah. So let's do our operation. So we have password at index I0 equals C, right? We have that, right? And if that is true, and then we want to do not password I1 equals C, And then, so and then we just need to replicate this. I think that works. Yeah. So if the first is a match, we want to make sure that the second one isn't a match. But if the first one isn't a match, then we want to check to see if the second is a match. And so I like that one. Let's see what test returns. 1. I doubt that because it's the same exact input. Yeah, so 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then obviously this one. Okay, yeah. So I think that's good. And so all we have to do is. Oh, it didn't even. We have to use main 2. There we go. Okay. Oh, I forgot to change the in here. I0, I1, 1 is which is as we expected, and then we can actually do this with the full input. We get 477. This should be good. I don't see why not. Submit. That's not the right answer. Okay. Turn to day 2. Let's double check this. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, that was a big boo-boo. It's not 0 indexed, so all you gotta do is -1. Right, onto all of these. Right. And so that looks better. But it's gonna say, hey. Oh, we're good. We're done. Cool. And yeah, there we go, day 2. So turn for admin calendar. We got day 1, day 2. Let's go to our leaderboard. We're not even here. We get private leaderboard, and we have the northeastern one, and that's 6. Cool. So yeah, that's it for day 2 of Advent of Code. Hopefully the stream is better quality and things aren't cropped out. I'm working on getting a better microphone. Hopefully by tomorrow. That's when the new headset comes. If that one isn't that as good, then probably gonna have to like wait for a couple of days, so I can buy that Blue Snowball. I'm waiting for a new credit card to come in so I can get some discount. So, but yeah, that's day 2 of Advent Code. Hopefully you guys will show up for day 3 or any day after day 2. I don't know. I'm actually kind of digging this little live streaming thing. It's pretty chill. So hopefully people show up. Right now, it's just me. It's pretty lonely. But yeah, we're 25 minutes in, so I'm just gonna end it now. This has been Pseudo Pluto. See you guys later. Have fun.